doing? I'm Brian. I'm going to be a video guy. Nice to meet you. Is this the first time you're doing this?
Yep.
Well, man, you picked a gorgeous day to do it. Unfortunately, they gave you the craziest guy here to do it. Monkey's going to take...
Monkey? I know. I was like, he said, my name is Monkey. I was like, my name is Bam Bam.
Who are you here with today? What's up, guys, girls? What's happening?
Hi.
Ready to do this?
Ready.
All right, all right. Anything you'd like to say to people at home that are going to be watching this?
That I'm sorry to my mom, who is currently having a panic attack.
Well, hey, we're going to have a good jump. Monkey's going to take you for a nice ride. I'll see you up in the airplane.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Feeling great.
Yeah, you ready to do this?
Yep, let's do
No
it.
turning back.
No turning back. Me and Monkey.
All right. Let's take it for a nice ride, Monkey.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys
On the outside.
Go, Chad.
later. We got out, I think, a little before you guys. You guys started getting out, and all of a sudden I was open, coming towards the DZ, and I saw you. All right. Nice job. Good job, girl. All right. What'd you think? Congratulations. Let Monkey get you untied here.
Monkey.
Good job, girl. What do you want to say to people at home now?
I survived Skydive Long Island.
You did it, girl. Monkey, good skydive, guys.
Yeah.
I just think you guys just fell from way up there.